How can I fix WhatsApp ticks not turning blue?
Hello and welcome to this video. Today, we'll be addressing an issue that can be quite confusing for many WhatsApp users: why WhatsApp ticks are not turning blue and how to fix it. Let's dive right in.
What do the ticks mean?
In WhatsApp, the ticks next to the messages you send have different meanings. One gray tick means your message has been sent successfully. Two gray ticks mean your message has been delivered to the recipient's phone. Two blue ticks mean your message has been read by the recipient. If your ticks are not turning blue even after the recipient has read your messages, it could be due to a few reasons.
Why are the ticks not turning blue?
Read receipts might be off. The most common reason is that the recipient has turned off read receipts in their privacy settings. In this case, you can't do much to change this as it's up to the individual's settings. You or your recipient might be using an older version of WhatsApp. If either of you are not using the latest version of WhatsApp, this could also be causing the issue.
How to fix it?
Step 1. Check your WhatsApp version. Make sure both you and your recipient are using the latest version of WhatsApp. To do this, go to your App Store and check if there are any updates available for WhatsApp. Step 2. Check your read receipts setting. Go to your WhatsApp settings to account to privacy and make sure that the read receipts option is turned on. If it's not, turn it on. Step 3. Message the recipient. After following the above steps, try sending a new message to the recipient and see if the ticks turn blue. Step 4. Contact WhatsApp support. If you're still having the issue after following these steps, you can contact WhatsApp support for further assistance. And that's how you can fix the issue of WhatsApp ticks not turning blue. I hope this video has been helpful. Remember, it's entirely possible that the recipient has turned off their read receipts, in which case you can't force the ticks to turn blue. In any case, it's always good to make sure that your own settings and app versions are up to date. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.